Hi everyone, hello. This video will be in English and the same will be in Arabic, so continue. Today we have this amazing, nice, cheap device, smart, easier. WOYO, YOYO, Mimi, I don't know. Remote control, RF and ER tester. This one, it will help you to test the car remote control if it's work or not, because sometimes you don't know the security system, the central look, that it's had problem, fuse or something else, or your remote control or fob key, okay, have the problem. This is the device. It's working with 9-volt battery, okay. So this is the button for switch on. From here, signal detector, and from here the RF ER. So let's try this key. So example, we have this key and we have a light, but we don't know that it's working or not. So if you put the key here and you press the button, it show it's 434.4 megahertz. Okay, so this one, it's working, it's sending signal. Another key example, that one for VW, this one for the Opel. Let me see. See, it's different. This one, when you press one time, it's give one signal. If you press long time, it will give another signal, by the way, because they have the option for windows closing. And there is inside also the, it's like keyless. Yes, this remote, when you press 2 times, it's give different signal. Then we'll check the Mercedes key. Okay, and this from here we wanna check the ER. So we'll put like this. This one not working key. This one, as you see, it's working, you see. So like this we can check with this device. It's good as at the price, and it's easy to use, yani. Do not be confused that your remote control have the problem, or from the central lock problem issues, something like this. So in this case, when you found already that the remote control working and the central lock is okay, in this case you need or to learn or to program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Ciao.